Hello, I'm Guido and this is Trying Harder. Today I have this Samsung Galaxy Ring that we're going to do a little review on. I'd be remiss though, and in trouble, if I didn't thank Best Buy and Samsung for giving me this ring to review. Thanks! Last year I did a pretty good unboxing of this, so go check out that video. Right now, we're going to take a closer look at this little guy with some specs and features, and then meet right back here for my thoughts.
This whole product is a thing of beauty. Just look at this awesome charging and travel case. It protects and displays this elegant, sleek band. Samsung advertises that you can get up to 7 days of use on one charge. The ring takes 80 minutes to charge. With the ring and cradle fully charged, you can go 14 days without needing to plug into an outlet. With the ring in place, the light indicator tells you the battery level of the ring. If you remove the ring, it will tell you the battery level of the case. Once this is on your finger, you can utilize magic control. This allows you to customize actions like snoozing an alarm or triggering a picture with just a double pinch of your fingers. Built for everyday use with this titanium design, IP68 dust and water resistant, this can be in 6 feet of water for 30 minutes. Max depth is 328 feet. It has Bluetooth 5.4. The sensors include an accelerometer, optical heart rate sensor, and temperature sensor. The metrics captured are blood oxygen, cadence, calories burned, distance traveled, duration of exercise, duration of sleep stages, hours slept, respiration rate, resting heart rate, and skin temperature.
Hey, welcome back! It's pretty difficult to get the specs on this ring. Best Buy had more information than Samsung when I went to go look it up. But now, for the review. First off, I think the sizing kit is a must. With the price of this thing, you want to make sure that you can wear it all day comfortably. I mostly loved using this ring. It's light as a feather and durable, but not indestructible. I hardly noticed I was wearing it. I didn't get any skin irritation. Water and sweat didn't get trapped underneath of it. I did everyday things like dishes, working out, and yard work. Where I finally got a ding on it was when I was working out with weights. The metal on metal didn't go so well, so I just started removing it during those activities because it wasn't comfortable and I didn't want any more damage to it. I love all the health info that you get on the Samsung Health app, like energy score and sleep score. It helps me to dial in my activities and my sleep needs. Having the snug fit of a ring helps eliminate any gaps in data collection. There's no built-in GPS, so it just uses your phone. The accelerometer on it tracks your steps and distance, and there's no membership fee. All the features in the app and on the ring come included in the price of the ring. I chose to wear mine on my ring finger. I just thought that felt more comfortable on my hand. Samsung recommends you putting it on your index finger so you can do like the pinch features, but they also say that the ring finger is a good second option. I think the battery life is excellent. I wore it almost a week before charging it, and I still could have wore it longer. I charged the ring while I was in the shower, and then it was ready to go when I was ready to go. Of note though, the fine print says that the 7-day battery life is only for rings that are bigger. If the ring is smaller than a 12, then they say it's only really 6 days of use. Obviously, didn't have a problem with that, just pointing out the fine print, but I think this lasts longer and tracks better than a smartwatch. Overall, I'm more impressed than I thought I'd be. I'd recommend getting this if you're looking for a minimalist health tracker. Full disclosure though, I did switch back to using my smartwatch. Part of that decision was you get a little more functionality with the watch, like it being a watch and being able to get messages and whatnot. Also, a driving factor was that the Samsung app and Watch OS updated so that I was able to get the exact same metrics that the ring was giving me using the watch. The next driver was being able to track my entire workout because I was having to take this off if I was doing anything, even machines, where I'm trying to grab something metal, and I just didn't like the discomfort and the rubbing that it was causing. But I still think it's a good ring. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up with the questions and let me know your thoughts. And Samsung, you did good. You did real good. But when it comes to providing specs on your first gen innovative product, try trying harder.